When a man mentally checks out of the relationship with you, sex with you will change because he has physically checked out as well. If sex becomes just sex with nothing else attached, that's a major red flag that he's disconnecting. If you have spent any kind of considerable amount of time together, you should be accustomed to the little things that he does that mean something to you. Maybe it's the way that his tone of voice changes when he's about to reach that moment. Maybe it's the way that he holds on to you at night, or maybe it's the way that he kisses you and grabs you when you're close. It should be pretty well established that you and your man have found your rhythm with each other. So, this makes it even easier to realize the warning signs of when those little things that mean so much to you start to diminish. Instead of him taking his time with you in the bedroom, his advances towards you will start to become rushed and mediocre because he wants to start it to finish it. It's simply about pleasure for him at that point because he's disregarded the connection. Sex for him is now just a physical release without any kind of emotions attached. Lack of eye contact is another big sign as well. If your man always wants to have sex positions that don't allow you to have eye contact, that's a major telltale sign that he's hiding an internal incapacity to appreciate and reciprocate the emotional connection that previously existed between you. Sex satisfies many different needs at several different levels for a man. Men are constantly condemned and ostracized and criticized for the very qualities that highlight their masculinity and manhood. Men go through life steadily being trained to bury their emotions because men don't cry and emotions are weak. So there's very limited safe spaces in life where a man feels that he has the emotional safety to fully express and cultivate himself. When you have sex with your man, you're giving him the opportunity to express vulnerability, self-confidence, and love. And in turn, you're giving him reassurance. Reassurance that he's accepted, heard, and seen. Yes, a man receives all of that through sex. This is why I tell women one of the very worst things you could do in life as a woman is withhold sex from your man, because you're not just withholding sex, you're severing his nonverbal communication with you. Men don't require a lot to remain content, but at the top of that list is the most essential human need, and that's the need to connect. Women by nature tend to have an overabundance of resources and opportunities to create and cultivate emotional connections. This provides them the advantage of having multiple outlets for emotional fulfillment that men are only able to achieve through their sexual experiences. So, if you question if your man is checked out of the relationship, all you really have to do is assess your sex life. And with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.